you think that was bad?
Yeah.
Oh, that was bad. That was worse.
Hey, I'm the original hi voice. Totes.
Hi.
Hi. I'm the original loud voice too.
I'm not original of anything.
Original. It doesn't make sense.
What?
It doesn't make sense. Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay. You
Write it down and show it in the camera.
Where's the paper?
I say now, you're not laughing.
You're the original.
Is it mean? Just write it down on this. Okay. Right there, there's a plain. That's so funny.
Yeah.
You're the original of your mom's vagina. It's not even possible.
Oh. I mean, coming out. Well, no. Besides, like,
Original of what? That doesn't make any sense. Of birth? Of my birth?
You're the. Yeah.